Hello everyone and welcome to this video, which is all about two new image creation software which is available for members of I Am Bias Club and also for other who follow the I Am Bias news on Substack, the newsletter. And I will also make it available everywhere for very, very small money. So let's jump into and see first how ImageAI works and how you can get it. Well, how you can get it will be in the descriptions below this video, wherever it's posted. So let's have a look at very briefly. I will let this run by itself, because in principle it's self-explanatory. Really not much to discuss here. You will see exactly what's going on. And what's unique with this is that it has a prompt generator, meaning that it can help you to create the prompts from a single keyword. Because prompts are always the most difficult. And here you see we have something to choose among. I will select one. Then there are some options for the style, quite a lot of options. I will select science fiction. Then there is how close to the prompt type it should be, and the size. And generate image. I'm letting this run now in real time, so you see how fast this works. And there we have the image, which you then can save into your folder wherever you select to save it. You can also, of course, download it. You can also see which prompts you used for the images, which can be useful for history. And the images you create are saved on your dashboard. That's it. So that's about the ImageAI. So how to get it? Well, there are two options here. If you are a member of I Am Bias Club, you will get a special link which will give you a registration page like this. And you will be able to register and using my API, OpenAI IPA, which is of course a tremendous benefit, because this drags quite a lot of resources, and because it uses DALL-E free. But for members of I Am Bias Club, you don't have to pay anything. For non-members, you will get a very low price of the software itself. You will get another link. The sign-up page looks the same, but the difference is that when you get into the program, you have to add your own OpenAI API. So that's the difference. You will just pay for the program one time, nothing else, and it will be a low price. I will give you a good discount of that. And I will explain that in the comments or in the description below. So that's all about the ImagineAI. Now let's look at the next one, which is the Image Crafter AI. And both these are now in the I Am Bias Club Master AI selection. There will be some, I think 10 by now, other software, AI software, which belongs exclusively to the club. but I make them available also for non-club members, as I said, and I will explain how. So with that, let's jump into and look at the Image Crafter AI, how that works. It will be the same. I will just play the recorded video briefly overview of how it works, and I can say directly what it has is some more editing capabilities. So even if they look the same, these two programs, they are, well, actually they don't look the same, but they have different possibilities. So with that, let's start the presentation. I will also put a link to a full 10 minutes tutorial, so you can see before you decide if you want this or not. It will be a link in the comments or in the description. In this program, every image is a project, and you will understand why when you see the editing possibilities. So I'm creating a new project. Give it a name, as internal name only. Can give a category. I take the category I used before. Then I don't bother much about size. If you want, you can choose a lot of pre-selected, preset sizes. But I will just choose a small one, and then I will add an AI image, and I will modify the size when it's loading. And here I have a prompt which I created from ChatGPT or a GPT. And since this is quite thorough prompt, I will just ask you to use the exact prompt. You choose the image type, 2 types, and the size, the free standard DAL-E free, DAL-E free, and a lot of other styles to choose. I will choose photorealism and generate. And again, we'll let it run in real time. And here is the image. Now the image is of course much bigger than the size I selected from beginning, so I have to drag out so I can see the whole image that was created from this prompt. And now I can do a lot of editing here. I can in principle make a final image to use wherever. I just go through this briefly, the different kind of editing possibilities. And as I said, I will put a link to a longer tutorial so you can see exactly how things works here. But this is the thing here is the included editor. Then I just save the project, and they will then show up in the project list where you can edit further or delete them. And of course you can download them from the edit page as you see here. You can see some other images I created earlier. And you can see it used DAL-E free right now. It's not the best of creating text. It's a hit and miss. But on images it's very, very good. So that's it. And how do you get this image AI? Well, Image Crafter AI, you register an account with a link that you will get from me. And again, for members of I Am Bias Club, you don't have to use your own OpenAI API. You will use mine. For others who want to use this, I'm just installing a separate version of the program where you, just like with the ImagineAI, have to add your own API, OpenAI API. It will also be a possibility to buy credits there. So in both these cases, you pay just for the program if you are not an IM Bias Club member. IM Bias Club members get this included in their membership. So that's all I want to show you today. Thank you for watching this, and please read the details of these offers in the description or in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.